Hello everyone, my name's Stephen Lyon and welcome back to another SafeSend Shorts video. Today what we're going to be talking about is the integration that we have between SafeSend and Thomson Reuters GoSystem. We're going to talk about how to set it up and the two different send options that we have to get tax returns from GoSystem over into SafeSend. So let's go ahead and take a look. So first we're going to want to set this up. Now I am going over an article here that has screenshots. I do not have access to the software itself, but this has detailed step-by-step instructions that we'll go over, and you can find this article by going to our help center from either in SafeSend or on our website at safesend.com. Now the first thing we want to do is enable the integration in GoSystem. So when we are in GoSystem, we will click Admin, Firm Configuration, General Options, and then Enable SafeSend, and hit Update to save those settings. So we have those laid out here: Admin, Firm Configuration, General Options, Enable SafeSend, and Update. Now, once that integration is set up, we have two methods of delivering. Now, it's important to note that we only support the delivery of 1040 and 1120 returns through the GoSystem integration. All other return types will need to be printed to PDF and uploaded traditionally into SafeSend via drag and drop of those PDFs. And on this article, you will see a link that goes right to those recommended print settings for those other return types. But for the integration, those 1040 and 1120 returns, we have two options. We can either do the print and send, which allows us to hit print on that return. We'll select taxpayer under copy types. E-file attachments will be selected by default, but there is a 32 megabyte size limit, so just be aware of that. And if we have any attachments that are larger than that, then we want to put them in the attachments tab while we are processing that return. So once we do that, we're going to click SafeSend, and we will have a prompt come in that asks us to put in our SafeSend credentials. So we choose taxpayer, e-file attachments, send to SafeSend, and then we will log in. And as soon as we do that login, it will transmit those returns over to, or that return specifically, over to SafeSend. And then we have create PDF and send. So instead of hitting print, you can also do it after you've created a PDF. So once you create the PDF, you can click the open icon. And once it's ready, you will simply click the send to SafeSend button. Again, that login prompt will appear, and as soon as you enter that information and hit login, you will get a confirmation that that return has been sent over to SafeSend. And once you get that confirmation, that return will be waiting in your send tax return section when you log back into SafeSend. Okay, and that's all I have for you today. That is a quick look at how to set up the GoSystem integration and the two send options that you have from GoSystem to SafeSend. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can hit the support icon from within SafeSend, or you can visit us at our website, safesend.com. Hope you all have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.